Today unboxing is on Tomica Limited Vintage Neo recent release, and that's the pair of Mazda RX7, the FC3S. One is another color variant in red from 1990, and the other is the Japanese police version FC. TLVN has covered quite a few RX7 casting in FC and FD, and this pair is a very nice addition to my RX7 collection because I like them. And coming from TLV, you'll expect high quality details including the finishing. For collectors who love replica of the actual car, shrink down to the scale of 1:64. Now let's take a closer look at the 1990 Mazda RX7 GTX FC. You have to install the splitter yourself, which I can't comprehend why, so I'm going to skip it. Sharp casting with very neat paint job in red. The color is very striking and very even paint on the casting. I'm glad that the side mirror is already pre-installed rather than the splitter. Realistic wheel sets with very minimum or no suspension because the casting is very low. Highlight is definitely on the rear with realistic plastic insert rear lights, sharp markings, and also highly detailed exhaust. Lots of details in the interior that comes in grey. What I'm disappointed are the painted parts, which looks rather basic. Unfitting for the TLVN. The plastic spoiler is integrated flawlessly with the body as one. Comprehensive details on the metal base, just like the rest of the TLVN. Next, the Mazda RX7 Police FC3S. Similar front splitter that you need to install yourself. Very nice and clean casting. TLV always produce one of the best Japanese police car in 1/64 scale. They are highly welcomed by collectors, including me. This police casting looks fantastic. Comprehensive interior, together with the realistic siren that is carefully fitted onto the body. Realistic wheel sets with minimal suspension because the casting is low. Highly detailed rear just like the previous version with the police marking included. Comprehensive details on the metal base with details of the casting. And this pair of RX7 is a very nice addition to my Tomica Limited Vintage Neo collection. Stay tuned for more TLV unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!